Hello, today I'm sharing my thoughts on the new K18 AstroLift Reparative Volume Spray. If you want to see the application and the benefits of it, just keep on watching. I shake the bottle thoroughly, then I section the hair where I want the volume and lift. Be sure to hold the bottle 4 to 6 inches from the roots and hair and spray generously throughout. I'll do the same thing on the other side. It works great without heat, but I diffuse since I want the max volume. These are some of the benefits I found on this volumizing spray. It is a 2-day memory and it's a damage repair. This product is perfect to have if you want volume between washes. This is a 2-day memory, which means you can skip reapplication and still get that volume and lift. The best part, I think, is for damage repair, you need to wait 4 minutes after application for the best repair results. This is the final look. I'm loving it. Love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and curly hair tips. See you in the next video. Ciao.